Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first the boxer fighting up in the red corner. Weighing 42 kilograms, the pride of RM Boxing Team. Introducing Jerson Dizon. And observing his opponent fighting up in the blue corner. Also weighing 42 kilograms, the pride of Jensen. Introducing David Husa. Scheduled for 3 rounds of amateur boxing. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm beginning. Beginning of first round. Bagat ang laban to. Bagat ang laban between Dizon and Kusan. Agad-agad. Ito yung makikita. Palitan Davao City. Palitan ng suntok. Nasa first round pa lang tayo. Pero umuulan na ng suntok. Yan ang boxing. Palitan ng suntok.
Ito, sulit! Divisoy!
Suntokan.
Divisoy!
Kasi wala na yan bukas.
I'm out, soy!
Wala pa.
Good, good!
Yes, suntok. Now, ano lang, okay na yun. Nalingaw lang, nalingaw.
Nan!
Na-enjoy mo sa laban.
Nan!
Yan, nasa first round. Medyo excited yung coach natin. Pero okay lang yun.
Na! Tara, ang tiri lang. Nan!
10 seconds! Suntok!
Na, mumuha.
And a round palapatan! Yan! Nasa amateur boxing club tayo, pero magandang laban between Jerson Dizon versus David Kusa.
Supporters!
Seconds out! Seconds out! Seconds out! Beginning! And now, ladies and gentlemen, beginning of second round! Nasa second round na!
Bang!
Marami siguro vitamina yung mga bata nito. That is all amateur boxing. Palitan na ng suntok. Nasa second round pa lang tayo mga kaibigan.
Uppercut. Okay. Nice! Bilangin.
Yan!
Pak, sige kid. Tikte, bilang. Bilang. Ay, wala. Wala dahil, wala. Wala. Bilang.
Yan. 10 seconds!
Sige, nagtalikod na.
And ang second round! Palapakan! Parang aso! Hindi makawala! Agad naman talaga!
Nagbubugso. Gustoy. Last round.
And seconds out! Seconds out! Beginning! Ladies and gentlemen, here we go! Beginning of last final round! Ang suntukan talaga! Yan na!
Nice! Igo, Jod.
And I would like to thank our major sponsors. Kalinan Barangay Council, Sangguniang Kabataan ng Kalinan, and by Sika Com Esendro Bunga, Department of Education for the Ring, Talibing Game Farm, and Glenn Escobedo. Nasa last round na, suntok! Wala na yung bukas. Ayan, nag-usap ng lakas.
Bilang. Ay, sabi ako bilang. Sulong soy!
Ayan. Ayan, kalakas yung ating mga batang Pinoy. No? Ang mabata pa, pero fighting spirit talaga. Suntok! Nasa last round. 10 seconds! Suntok! And last round! Palapakan! What a fight between Dison and Tucson!
Nice, soy.
Hindi talaga nabitin. Yung mga tao dito sa Kalinan, Davao City. Magandang laban na pinakita. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the result of this bout, we have a winner by split decision.